springtime. Everything is soft in still, cloud cover. But I'm in the Big South Fork and ready to have some fun. Our journey is getting off this ridge top, going down to the creek, and probably getting our feet wet and seeing some waterfalls. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, we're definitely gonna go over here and check this out. It's going down into the cave. That area we just left, that was incredibly beautiful. And all that big water going into the rock areas, that was awesome. Now we're just kind of following the creek, following it down to where we make a turn to go see the waterfall. Took a side trail to go see the waterfall. I think it's just called Lick Creek Falls or Lick Creek Falls, something like that. Woo! Yes, sir. Beautiful. Definitely check this out. Oh, we got a sign. Lick Creek Falls that way. And my buddies are coming this way. I recommend this trail 5 out of 5. Well, there's definitely a lot of water crossings out here. That's for sure. This one looks pretty deep too. Roll up my pant leg and just go over it. All on this trail we've been seeing beaver activity all over the place. I want to show you one where they was gnawing on a tree. This is wild. You can see where he's made a little path here, right to this tree. And man, he is chowing down. Wow, that's a big tree. I mean, look how big this tree is. Beavers have just been tearing it up. There's another one, and another one, and another one, and another one up there. So this right here is on top of the falls. And we'll get down there and check it out. It's 100% awesome right here. We want to see a better view of the falls. So we figured we'd just cross right here, go over there and check it around this way. Looks like there's a big old campsite, but we don't want to stay there. Wow, holy smokes, I just got all the first glimpse of the falls. That was about as incredible as it gets. That was a beautiful, beautiful waterfall area. I mean, right now I feel very little in this big river, big area. As my buddy said, this is some Huckleberry Finn stuff. I highly suggest you walk the river area. Wow. I mean, this is outstanding. I think I found camp. Got a fire pit right here. Got a big old point going out this way. That's the creek that we want to follow to go check out some arches tomorrow. Got sunset that way. Yeah, man, I might scout it out a little more. My buddies, I don't know where my buddies are. Jeremiah and Todd, they must still be back there a little bit. I mean, they had a pretty good idea where we was going to try to make camp, you know, at the creek. And once again, if you go where our creek goes into the river, it's usually pretty good spots. Everybody likes clean water. This looks like a pretty good spot.
Backpacking with Jason.
Me and my dream hammock. This was a spot we had for yesterday. Not too bad.
Welcome to Yahoo Arch.
Yahoo! Welcome to Yahoo Arch. He is correct. Did you say the Batmobile comes right down here?
Right down the chute.
Definitely going to take a break around here. Yesterday I was like, my shoes don't feel as comfortable. It's like something's not right with my shoe. And I took them off. I had to investigate and check them out. Look at my shoes. Shoe number one, blowout. Shoe number two, blowout. Where's that one at? Right there? Yep. It's time for new shoes. In the comment section, tell me the shoes I should get. Legend has it that this is the tallest waterfall in Kentucky. You believe that, Stringer?
What the sign says.
Okay. We made it to the falls. We're gonna stay on the high side and walk around this rock area to see the waterfall. Oh wow, it's got my first big view of it. That's cool. That is insane. That is so cool. Yeah, man. Last views of the trip. Spectacular. Before we leave, we had to check out the overlook. That is absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment. This was a great area. Creeks, rivers, waterfalls, arches, great camping. It was just a beautiful, beautiful area of the woods to go see. And remember, guys, you got one life. Live it.